liftoff.
Hi, I'm Dan Thompson from MarineMax Danvers, sitting on Boston Whalers 280 Outrage. This particular boat's powered by twin white 300 Dorados with digital throttle and shift. Makes it really easy to dock around down your slip. Moving a little bit further forward, this boat's equipped with the optional live well, which is a little wet bar as well. Give you a nice 12-inch touchscreen electronic system with this boat. Two ample size in-floor fish boxes. And moving forward a little bit further, this boat is also equipped with optional trolling seats, a small Yeti cooler underneath the helm, and a fixed plexiglass, real glass, tempered glass. Hardtop gives you plenty of protection earlier and later in the season as you move forward. The 280 Outrage has ample seating, a nice fun lounge for when you're not fishing, just out enjoying the water. Underneath, the garage is equipped with an oversized amount of storage. It allows you to put everything that you need in the day and keep it off your decks. And it is sealed to help keep it dry in there. More additional seating here, and again, low profile windlass underneath the hatch to give it a nice clean look. As we head around the corner to the head compartment, you'll notice your optional bow table is stored nicely on the side, vacuum flush head, and overboard discharge, and everything you need to be out in the water today. So with this 20 Outrage, nicely equipped, as most of our boats are. If you have any questions, again, my name is Dan Thompson. My cell phone is 978-375-1584, and I'd be reached anytime. Have a great day.